Hello everyone. I must apologize for the delay in posting. Between the holidays and a bit of personal stress, it's been quite the hustle. You see, Tet holiday festivities and a whirlwind of personal affairs left me with little time to share my culinary adventures. But as they say, good things come to those who wait. And wait you did. So without further ado, let's dive into the magical world of dessert making. But worry not, because today I have a delightful recipe for you. Chocolate jelly. A perfect treat to add to your milk or milk tea. First things first, we need to gather our ingredients. Let's start with half a liter of unsweetened milk. Next, we'll need 100 grams of sugar to sweeten the deal. Our thickening agent will be 10 grams of agar-agar powder or vegan gelatin. And last, but certainly not least, we'll need 50 grams of chocolate. This is where the magic happens. Dark milk or white? The choice is yours. With all our ingredients in place, it's time to start cooking. Now we begin by combining our milk, sugar and agar-agar powder in a saucepan. This trio forms the base of our chocolate jelly. As you mix, you'll notice the sugar dissolving and the agar-agar powder starting to blend in, creating a smooth, creamy mixture. While you're stirring, remember to keep the heat low to medium. We don't want any scorching happening here. Next, it's time to introduce our star ingredient, the chocolate. But before it makes its grand entrance, we need to cut it into smaller pieces. The smaller the pieces, the faster they will melt, ensuring a smooth, chocolatey goodness. Once you've successfully chopped your chocolate, add it to the milk mixture. Watch as the chocolate melts, swirling and blending into the milk, transforming our creamy base into a rich, velvety chocolate delight. Once the chocolate melts completely, it's time for the next step. Now, we bring our mixture to a boil. This is where the magic really happens. The heat will start to melt our chocolate into the milk, creating a rich and creamy concoction. Keep stirring. You don't want your mixture to stick to the bottom of the pot. When you see small bubbles form on the surface, that's when you know it's ready. Now, it's time to pour our mixture into a mold. Don't rush this part. You want to make sure it's evenly distributed. If you have one, a larger mold is recommended. It makes the final product easier to consume, plus you get a bigger piece of this delicious dessert. Once you've filled your mold, give it a gentle tap on the counter. This will remove any air bubbles and ensure a smooth, even jelly. Carefully place it into the fridge. And now, all that's left is to wait. So sit back, relax, and let the fridge do its job. Patience is key. Pop the mold into the fridge and let it set for 2 to 3 hours. This is your time to kick back, relax, perhaps catch up on your favorite book or show. The anticipation might be overwhelming, but remember, good things come to those who wait. As the magic happens in the cold, the mixture transforms into a delightful, slightly gelatinous treat. The blend of chocolate and milk solidifies, creating a tantalizing texture that's just perfect for your taste buds. And then comes the moment of truth. After the agonizing wait, you'll be rewarded with a surprise. The outcome is nothing short of spectacular. The chocolate jelly, with its unique texture and rich flavor, is a sight to behold and a joy to taste. It's hard to believe that something so simple could turn out so delicious. And voila! You now have a delicious chocolate jelly to add to your milk or milk tea. Isn't it surprising how just a few simple ingredients can create such a delightful treat? We've journeyed together through the process of making a chocolate jelly that's a perfect addition to your favorite milk or milk tea. It's as simple as mixing unsweetened milk, sugar, agar-agar powder and chocolate, then boiling, molding and refrigerating. The result is a deliciously chocolatey, slightly gelatinous treat that's as fun to make as it is to eat. I must admit, I'm quite pleased with the result, and I'm not the only one. My chubby cat Bub has been eyeing the dessert with great interest. Thank you for joining me today. I know it's been a while since my last post, but I promise I'll be more consistent from now on. The Tet holiday and some personal matters have kept me away, but now I'm back and ready to share more delightful recipes. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Until next time, happy cooking!